Sanko. 8 on the shot clock. Salenga fires from free. It's good. And a 4-point play opportunity coming up.
Grabe yung 4-point play na yon, mga idol, pero mas nakakabilib ang Pasay. Minanilang ang depensa ng Davao Occidental. Isipin nyo to ha, ito yung team na tumalo kina Mark Pingris at Mac Cardona na binyan. Solid Pasay is making serious noise ngayong season. Tara panoorin natin yung highlights. Siguradong mapapawaw ka rin mga idol.
Prove that stroke from the outside. Push lead. And that was certainly a morale-boosting victory para dito sa Davao Occidental.
Not maybe for Davao this season, and at least in that game they were able to prove themselves that they can bounce back.
Jan Salubre picking up from where he left off with the one who's pushing it right now. Sanko sidestep using his offhand. Oh, how about that? Jasper Salenga. Sanko. 8 on the shot clock. Salenga fires from free. It's good. And a 4-point play opportunity coming up. Sara stops on the time.
Medyo naipit sa gilid doon si Escobedo. I think Robon Leon had to clear out a bit for him to have
16-13. 1-on-1. Escobedo against Marasigan. Bon Leon fires and scores from downtown. In for the Tigers. Comia using his left hand for that acrobatic finish.
Especially when Juan Bonifacio is on the floor for Pasay.
Agovida, great cut.
At talagang sobrang talino lang talaga na player eh.
And the activity of these two guys, Cyrus Tabi and J.R. Chavez. Tabi completes the...
Voyagers need right now. Kahit wala si Lawrence, kailangan naming ipakita na hindi basta-basta nagpapatalo ang Pasay sa home court, is said with conviction.
With Arboleda in his grill. Boni. Chavez for free. Oh my goodness! J.R. Chavez and Cyrus Tabi. Arboleda, nakabuelo, lays it up and in, plus a foul. And averaging double figures. Here he is. Oh, and we want to back out to Arboleda. Hand off to Joseph Terzo against J.R. Chavez. Arboleda for free. It's good. That's why he was warned for that exact reason. Oh, Hilario.
Old to Brian Hilario, even though papasok na siya sa game late. Oh! Time making Pasay commit an offensive foul. What a sidestep move right there. Galing dito kay Raymart Escobedo. Finishing with the left hand on the right.